Hey guys, Brian here, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I wanted to go over what I'm doing with the wheel strategy because obviously the stock market is moving. It's moving which way it wants to go. But again, before we get into what I'm doing, remember, none of this is financial advice. So please do your own research and due diligence before investing your hard-earned money. So in my Instagram, if you follow me, you'll see that I put out a few plays that I did because I had covered calls expiring this today, pretty much at the time of recording this video, and I made around like $5,700, $5,700. So let's just go into my desktop really quick, and I will show you exactly what I did. So here we are. Let's actually use this screen so I could bring this up a little bit, and this is in my Roth IRA. So I do options in here as well to build it up. So I bought to close my Tesla option for $300, and I sold to open another play for 2 weeks later, and I got 953. So the difference is around $650 there. And then I had two contracts for Nvidia where I pushed this out until March 21st at a strike price of 115, and pretty much I made $1,100 right there. And then we could go into my other account right here with Coinbase. I pushed this out 1 month. I got $1,100, keeping the same strike price, just pushing out the date. And then I had 3 more contracts in Nvidia in here, and I got around just under $3,000, like $2,900 from here. So of course made just under just around like $5,700 in like 10 minutes of work. Super simple and easy to do. And that was just because the options were about to expire and I was in the money, so I didn't want my shares to be taken away right away. It's like, why would I do that? And why would I stick to a strike price that is already in the money? And to be honest, it's because I'm comfortable with it because it's above my cost basis. No matter what strike price where I'm at right now, it's above my cost basis. So I'll get the appreciation up to the stock price, the strike price. And I wanted to get as much premium as possible. And I also wanted to do guaranteed money. That's why I pushed it out around 5-6 months. I was guaranteed to get like pretty much $3,000 right there. And it's like, why not? I know you could get a lot more if you did weeklies or monthlies, but that's all potential. At least I see a number right up front and I see that I'm going to get it. And so why not do that? And obviously like your money's like kind of like tied up in this stock on these option plays until you do buy to close or you do get exercise and all that good stuff. But again, I'm perfectly cool with it because also if it doesn't get called away anytime soon, I could always roll up or down depending on what the market is doing and probably get paid again, which is amazing because you're just continuously doing this, getting paid with the same shares that you just keep rolling and kicking the can down the line, letting the stock market chase you pretty much. Like I said, you're doing this for income. You're doing this potentially for appreciation and for like Nvidia and some other like bigger tech stocks. They also have dividends. So you could technically triple dip on using the wheel strategy. And this is what I do love about the wheel strategy because it's so easy to use. On one side, you're either using your cash as collateral or your stocks, and you could just make as much money as you possibly can if you're doing it with stocks that you believe in, stocks that you've done research in, and it's super easy. So if you guys want to learn more about this, I do have a free Discord that I'll be linking down below. I do have a kind of like a course on my Stand store where I go over everything, and then at the end of it, when you're done, feel free to email me, message me, and we will set up a one-on-one to clear out any questions. And also, if you didn't want to go into the course right away, I do have a free PDF that goes over everything that I'm doing, so you could possibly learn it right from there. So again, really easy plays, made a lot of money within a few minutes, and I plan on keep pushing this down the line, and it's going to be super easy for you guys as well. So if you guys are interested, check out the links on the Stand store. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're using the wheel strategy, and I will see you guys very soon. Peace.